Hi everybody, it's Cindy A. Lewis and I am counting down to Christmas with Crafter Companions Advent Calendar. Today is December 2nd and so we're going to open window number 2. Okay, so door number 2, I got smart here and I've got my trusty blade to help me open the door because I had a little trouble with it yesterday. Let's see if we can get this open. Not that it's that hard, but I just wanted to get in here and, ooh, there we go. What is in door number 2? Oh, it's a word. Let's see, I can't tell from backwards. You see? Okay, so our word is, careful not to cut myself. Our word is backwards and it says party. I think that's what it says, party. So let's give it a try. Okay, so remember your sandwich. Turn my Gemini Go on. Your sandwich is the plastic, the clear, the plastic, the magnetic, your die, your material, and your top. Alright, so I'm going to run this through and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, we got it out and here is party and the exclamation is a separate piece. So that is really adorable. It's tiny, I will say that. It's really tiny. But I can't wait for December 3rd. Come back and see what we get on December 3rd. So I hope you have a wonderful day. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, bye.